Welcome back. Now it's time to get all the source code for the course. Let's do that. Alright, now I'm gonna go to the course repository by typing github/inançgümüş/learngo. Okay, here you can find everything for the course, alright? It includes all the source code and hundreds of exercises and quizzes for the course. I believe that this course has the biggest collection of exercises at the moment among all the other courses and books out there. By the way, you don't have to download the whole repository. You can also run it on Go Playground without downloading it. So in this lecture, first I'm going to show you how to run the code on Go Playground without installing anything on your computer. And then I'm going to show you how to install and run it on your own computer. And lastly, I'm going to talk about how I've organized this repository and how you can use it. Alright, let's get started. Let's start with Go Playground first. So let me open another tab here, and I'm going to type play.golang.org. Alright, this is the famous Go Playground, which we Gophers love a lot. We usually create code examples and simple programs here to share with anyone just by pressing on this share button here. It creates a unique link each time, so then you can share it with anyone that you want. As you can see, there is a ready-made program already in here, right? For example, I can run it like this by clicking on this run button. Or I can run it just by pressing the Shift-Enter keys together. Or I can even automatically format the code by pressing Command and Enter keys like this. By the way, you should press Ctrl-Enter keys if you're on Windows, alright? I recommend you to always enable these imports checkbox here. For example, if I remove this import and then I press Command Enter, it will automatically import the necessary libraries. I'll talk about what importing means afterwards, no worries. Alright, now let's take a look at how you can download the whole repository to your own machine. There are two ways to do that. The first way, you can download it by clicking on this green clone or download button and then this download zip button. When you do so, this will download the whole repository in a zip file to your own machine, okay? And the second way is go-getting it. Go-getting means you can download the whole repository by using the go-get tool. It is one of the tools that are coming with Go itself. The benefit of using go-get is that go-get will download all the dependencies for you automatically. And you can continue using it afterwards whenever I update the course repository. Then it will only fetch the updated files. Okay, let's take a look at how we can download this repository using the go-get tool. First of all, let's copy the URL of this repository without the HTTPS part like this. Okay, then let's open a command line interface now. Now I'm going to open iTerm on my computer like this. If you're on Windows, you can just type command to the search bar here and then you can select command prompt here. Or as I showed you before, you can open up a git bash shell here from the desktop by clicking on this icon. I recommend you to use the git bash, but it's your call of course. Now here, I'm going to use the go-get tool to download the whole repository. First, I'm going to type go-get, then I'm going to type -u. This U means update the local copy whenever there are new updates. So you can also run this go-get command afterwards whenever you want to get the updated code from me, okay? Anyway, now I'm going to paste the course repositories link that I've just copied to here. Then here, I'm going to type / and 3 dots like this. These 3 dots mean download everything, all the bells and whistles. Alright, let's run it. Cool, it has downloaded and installed everything now. Let's take a look. Go-get tool by default installs everything under a directory called GoPath. I'll talk about GoPath in detail afterwards, by the way, no worries. Anyway, now I'm going to go to the GoPath directory. So this is the GoPath directory and the Go source code files are stored in the src directory here. After this lecture, you're going to write your first program under this folder, by the way. Anyway, since I've downloaded the code from this URL, so Go now stores it in a folder with the same name, under this folder. I mean, the code is in src/github.com/inançgümüş/learngo. Let's get into it now. Here it is. Okay, while in here, let's launch VS Code again on this directory just by typing code dot. Dot means this directory, by the way. So code dot means open the Visual Studio on this directory. Alright, that's all for now. Congrats, you have completed every step. In the next lecture, I'm gonna show you how I organized this repository. I'll talk about where you can find the examples and the exercises inside this repository. It's an important lecture, so I recommend you to watch it. Do not skip it. Alright, see you there. Bye bye.